Heather with Life with Heather G. And I know in my last video I did tell you that I was going to get another Glossy box because I did, when they had a sale on there, I got another box from a previous month that they still had for sale. So I went ahead and bought it and it came today. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. So I'm excited. I kind of peeked at this one online. I had seen somebody else open this one and I thought it was a really good deal. It was a great value. So I snatched it when they had their sale. And again, I used some of my survey money. So some of you might have gotten this in past months, but it is their Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tale. And I can't remember which month it was from because there was different ones to choose from. But I thought this one was a good value. So I'm going to show you what I got. Like I said, some of you might have gotten this one already if you do get Glossy box. But I'll just go ahead and show you anyway. For those of you who maybe don't get this, I'll just show you another box. So they have the Midnight Tale on there, and this one gives you all the products that are in here. So I'll go through the prices as I pull these out. So first thing I see, and one of the things I was really excited about is this, and I do like this brand, it's Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminous. Looks like it has cannabis in it, and sea greens. Anyways, I think it's like a serum. Plant-based, vegan, all the good stuff. No gluten, no soy, sustainable, no GMOs. It's a very clean brand from what I gather. And it's so pretty. It's pretty green, but it's just a food illuminating serum. So I like serums. So next thing, oh yeah, I'll tell you the price for that one. So that one is, the retail value is $32. It says it's full of greens, cannabis, hemp oil, and grapeseed oil with therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while introducing a dewy luminous. Yay. I can't say I'm mad about that. Okay, the next one is Ciate London, and I have different things from this brand as well, but this one looks like a translucent powder. And actually, I feel like I've gotten a Ciate powder before, like a setting type powder or translucent type powder. Yeah, I might. Yep, I think I have this exact one, but this is a smaller container of it, which I do like. And I feel like it smells like coconut. At least the one I got. But I do like it. And this one's a little bit more compact because my other one's kind of big. So this one, if I want to travel with, I could use that. And that one is, let's see, Ciate London. That is 22. Oh, this one is $18.98, but the full size is 22, which is probably what I have, is the full size. So, yeah. I mean, this is still a decent size. It's going to take me forever to go through my other one. Okay, so the next thing is, you guys know I love masks. And I have gotten a lot lately, but I'll still use them all. This one is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Packed with super fruit, plum, desert lime, aloe. It's a gentle version, and skin exfoliating alpha hydroxy acid. So yeah, I'll use this. This is $14.44 and the full size is $21.50. So, I mean, I could get probably like at least 10 uses out of this thing. And for a mask, that's good because I kind of alternate them. I don't use the same mask all the time. I kind of alternate them. Next one. Oh, wow. Okay, sorry, can't hear you over the volume of my hair. 5-in-1 deep conditioner. Junk-free, no perfume, sweet scent. So it's a conditioner for your hair. And I haven't heard of this brand, Main Club. Oh, I love it. Yeah, and again, something different. You know, I get all these other, and I love getting skincare, but like extra makeup and all this stuff, sometimes you get overwhelmed, so it's nice to have a very good variety. And so I like that. And then, of course, you can't go wrong with then. Oh, this is another deep conditioner. So these must just be like treatments, not like a conditioner regular, but like a deep conditioner. So when your deep conditioner says repair, but you're still broken on the inside, cry baby. And so that is just a 5-in-1 deep conditioner as well. I like it. All natural deep conditioners for your hair. Awesome. And the last product, which is super cute. I think this is Kat Von D. A little lipstick. That is cute. Look at that. Oh, look. And it's actually a color I would use. Oh, almost looks like what I have on, doesn't it? That's adorable. I love it when they have the little lipsticks like that. So that's from Kat Von D. So honestly, I think the value of this box is awesome, and I cannot remember how much I paid, so I'll try to post that on my video when I look it up, because I know I got a discount and I know that it was like on their sale to buy these boxes. So I will look it up and let you know. I did not tell you how much the Kat Von D, let's see, the Kat Von D lipstick is $14 because the full size is $20. And then you know what, on here it has the ONA Radiance Glow Gel Mask, and I did not get that. It must be when I got these hair things instead, which I'm okay with, because I have gotten a lot of masks lately, so I'm okay with getting hair masks because I could use those. But I do not know the prices on these then. So sorry. Maybe can look them up and post them. But anyways, I'll still use them, and I got 2 of these, or I would have gotten one of those masks. But their little card is kind of cute, and I do love, there was 2 versions of this box. One was Enchanted and one was Midnight, and I did get the Midnight Fantasy. So I don't know. I really have been liking the products that I've gotten in Glossy Box. I'm very impressed. And like I said, it's a lot of skincare, and then of course, this time I got hair care, and the lipstick, setting powder, clay mask, and this beautiful serum. And I have looked this brand up online because I was reading a little bit about them, and I even had some things in my cart that I actually want to buy because I've tried some of their stuff now, and I have been impressed with them. So I'm excited to try that. Anyways, I guess that is all. Yeah, I guess that's all. Let me know what you think, and if you got this box. I mean, I think this box could have been like a couple months ago, so let me know if you got this box and if you liked it. But I think it's definitely worth the money, because this alone, I know I paid under the price of just this. And I was going to order some stuff online from this brand. So I really do think that the value is here, and again, I do think it's more skincare stuff that I've been getting in these boxes, which is awesome. So if you like videos like this, just continue to watch and like and subscribe so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video, and we will see you next unboxing. Bye.